My name is Myra, and I am from Delhi, India. I love music more than anything in this world. My heart beats with every beautiful song I hear. I discovered online music platforms when I was 19. Artists from all over the world shared their songs there. I spent hours listening to different voices and melodies. One evening, I heard the most amazing voice ever. The singer's name was Imran from Lahore, Pakistan. His voice touched my soul like magic. I sent him a message about his beautiful song. He replied within an hour with kind words. We started talking about music every single day. He told me about his dreams of becoming famous. I shared my love for singing and poetry. Our friendship grew stronger through music and words. Days turned into weeks of constant chatting online. He would send me his new songs first. I gave him honest feedback about each melody. We talked about everything beyond just music together. He made me laugh with his funny stories. I felt like I had known him forever. He said my opinion mattered most to him. His songs became better with my small suggestions. We were perfect partners in this musical journey. One day, he sang a song just for me. My name was mentioned in the beautiful lyrics. Tears of joy rolled down my happy face. I realized I was falling in love deeply. His voice had captured my heart completely now. Every song felt like a love letter. He confessed his feelings during a late-night call. His voice was shaking with nervous emotions then. I told him I loved him too. We dreamed of meeting each other very soon. The International Music Festival was coming to Mumbai. He promised to perform there for me. I was so excited about seeing him finally. We had been talking for 8 months now. Meeting him would make my dreams come true. He registered for the festival as a performer. His beautiful voice would reach many new people. I felt so proud of his courage. The festival date was announced for next month. He started preparing his best songs carefully. I helped him choose the perfect playlist. I told my family about the music festival. They seemed happy about my interest in music. But I kept our relationship completely secret. The festival week finally arrived in Mumbai city. Artists from 20 countries came to perform there. My heart was dancing with pure excitement. He arrived 2 days before his performance night. We planned to meet secretly after his show. I could barely contain my overwhelming happiness. The night of his performance finally came then. I reached the venue very early evening. The hall was packed with music lovers. I found the perfect seat near the stage. My heart was beating like crazy drums. Soon I would see his face clearly. He appeared on stage, wearing traditional Pakistani clothes. The crowd cheered loudly for his entrance there. He looked even more handsome than expected. He started singing his most popular songs first. His voice filled the entire hall beautifully. Everyone was completely mesmerized by his talent. Then he announced a special song dedication. He said it was for someone special. My heart knew this song was mine. He sang my name in the chorus sweetly. The audience wondered who this lucky girl was. I felt like the happiest person alive. After his amazing performance ended successfully, people clapped loudly. He looked directly at my seat then. Our eyes met across the crowded hall. He smiled and pointed toward the exit door. I understood this was our meeting signal. I started walking toward the backstage area, but suddenly my brother appeared beside me unexpectedly. My father was standing right behind him too. They had been watching me all evening. They grabbed my arms very tightly immediately. My father looked extremely angry about something. They started dragging me toward the exit. I screamed for help, but nobody heard me. The crowd was still cheering very loudly. They pushed me into their waiting car. They drove me straight home without explanation. My mother was crying in the living room. They had discovered our secret love somehow. They locked me in my bedroom immediately. The windows were sealed shut with metal bars. I became a prisoner in my house. I cried and begged them to understand. They refused to listen to my words. Love meant nothing to their closed hearts. Meanwhile, he was searching for me everywhere outside. He came to my house very late. My father threatened him with serious violence. He left, but promised to return tomorrow morning. He wanted to talk to my parents. His love gave him incredible courage then. The next morning, he came back again. He brought flowers and spoke very respectfully. My father refused to see him. Some unknown men were waiting outside then. They followed him when he left, sadly. I watched everything from my locked window. Hours passed, and he never returned home. His friends started searching everywhere in the city. Something terrible had happened to him. The next morning, newspapers reported shocking news. A young Pakistani singer was found dead. His body showed signs of brutal violence. My world collapsed completely in that moment. The love of my life was gone. Those evil men had murdered my heart. His body was sent back to Pakistan. His family mourned their beloved son's death. I could not even attend his funeral. I remained locked in my room completely. My family acted like nothing had happened. But my soul had died with him. Weeks later, I found his last recording. He had sung it on his phone. The song was about our eternal love. His voice was full of hope and dreams. He sang about our future wedding day. Now these words broke my heart. I listened to that song every night. His voice kept me alive somehow then. Music became my only comfort now. I made a promise to his memory. I would never forget his beautiful voice. His songs would live in my heart. Years have passed since that terrible tragedy. I still listen to his music daily. His voice guides me through dark times. I never married anyone else after him. True love happens only once in life. My heart belongs to him forever now. People ask why I remain single always. They cannot understand our deep connection completely. Real love transcends death and time. His last song plays in my dreams. I hear his voice calling my name. we will meet again in heaven. Music festivals still make me very sad. I remember his last performance there clearly. His voice echoes in my memories. I tell our story to young people. Love should conquer hate and fear always. But sometimes evil destroys beautiful things. His songs are still played on radio. New fans discover his talent every day. His voice will never be forgotten. I am now older, but still remember. His love changed my life completely forever. Some stories end sadly but beautifully.